So 2021 Honda Pioneer 700. I haven't found any videos with the glass windshield option, so I thought I'd make one. So this is the Honda windshield. It actually fits pretty good. A couple little push pins here. Now with Honda, it's actually an option for the windshield wiper for some stupid reason. So we got the windshield wiper kit. Gives you the motor, the wiper arm, and then it also gives you a switch panel. So this is normally just a cubby hole, which you have to buy the electronics kit with the windshield or with the Honda heater. So it gives you this fuse panel and the wiring harness for this button, and under the hood there comes with a little fuse panel. So your fit and finish isn't too bad. You can see my little helper there. So we got the winch control set up there. So not bad. It was pretty easy to install, but unfortunately the wiper kit is another $340 Canadian over top of the almost, I think it's almost $1,000 for the windshield. So you gotta keep that in mind. Now, when it comes time for doing your windshield, it doesn't come with a washer system, which is one of the biggest complaints I have. Whereas my Can-Am Commander glass windshield came with wipers and washer system. So what I did is I went on Amazon, and for $25 I bought windshield washer tank and pump. So I put these nozzles here, and originally I had the washer tank under the hood here. Unfortunately, it's my dad's machine, so after we put that all together, he decided he wanted a heater, so I had to relocate the washer tank under here. So yeah, we have to lift it up and pull it out to refill it. Now I left enough hose on it to do that, so it's kind of a pain, but it works. So, and then I went on Amazon and got a 4,500 pound Champion winch. Put that in with the wireless remote. Okay, now Honda soft doors. Again, there wasn't any option or any video, sorry, on that. The roof is also a Honda roof, and the back window is a Honda soft window with the zippered rear center section, which is kind of nice. We put the backup lights on. Again, that was an Amazon thing, with two brackets. Just went around. So the Honda soft doors, they're nice. They're kind of a pain to put on initially, but they say that you can't trailer the machine with them on, so they can't handle that kind of speed, unfortunately. So you got to take them off whenever you load it onto a trailer. Now the biggest problem I have with these doors is actually on the back of them. Look at that gap. They give you this little piece of, it's supposed to be like a weather stripping, but of course it just sticks straight out. No matter how you do it, unless I did something wrong when I put these doors on. So now with there being no exterior handle, they give you this strap, which I'm sure everyone has seen before. So you give that a pull, doors open up. So they give you the frame, put these brackets on, and there's one screw under here. Take that thumb screw out, and then the door actually pops off pretty easy. So that's not a huge deal. And then you just get a little clip on your door latch to lift it up to get in from outside, and it kind of makes it handy to get out from inside. So these shoulder bars are what's getting in the way. Now Honda didn't have these doors jet out at all. See, it will actually hit, and that's what keeps it pushed out. Now if they would have had this kind of come out a bit, then you'd probably have this seal up. So that, but we just took it for the first drive. It's only got 3 kilometers on this machine, and it actually didn't seem too bad. So as long as on a dusty day the dust doesn't come pouring in, it shouldn't be a problem. Put the Honda rear bumper on, because we're up in the forest typically. I'm just outside of town right now, and I told my dad to get the rear bumper, because whenever you turn around in the bush, you're going to end up bumping a tree in the dark or something. You're going to break your tailgate, and I don't want to break tailgates. So it went on pretty easy. The instructions say that you got to take the side of the box off on both sides, and you got to replace the whole bracket here for the pivot of the tailgate, which is why you got to pull the box, or the sides of the box, and then it just bolts on. It's actually not too hard to do. But again, expensive accessory for just the straight tubing. That's like, I think it was $350. Like it was quite a bit. So yeah, they're kind of getting away with murder on the prices of some of these accessories. Tilting box, of course, everyone's seen the Pioneer. Not too much has changed. I just drove it for the first time today, and it's not bad for $700. Obviously it's not a powerhouse, but so, and again, the roof goes on with these clips. So really, you pop these guys open. There's 4 of them, and the roof can come off if you ever need to get it into the trailer or something like that. These middle 2 are for the windshield. Shouldn't have to take those off. This is for the roof. And so for a heater, my dad decided he wanted a heater, so we went with Amazon's heater. Just found a cheap deal. So I found these louvers on Amazon. There was a safety plate here. Took that off. We had to clean up the glue yet. And put the vents in. And we'll go under the hood and take a peek at that. So I tapped into the oil cooler for that, because it runs antifreeze through the oil cooler. And so there's our heater. So what I did is I got a cab power relay off the tractor. It's brand new. So this relay powers this fuse panel whenever the key is on. So all of the accessories can run off of this one fuse panel. And you can connect up a pile of accessories. Again, that's an Amazon thing. And then the heater, we've got the 4 vents, 2 up top, 2 down for the feet, 5/8 heater hose. Now this is the fuse panel that comes with the windshield for your wiper kit. So let's see here, you can run auxiliary lighting, wiper, heater, all the Honda accessories, power cable, voltage meter. So that's all part of Honda's deal. And yeah, this heater was, I think, $200. I'm not sure if it was even that much actually. So I put duct tape on the top here because this panel is removable. Now with it being just a China heater, there's no weather strip or nothing up here, so I was just trying to prevent water and whatnot from getting splashed in there. And so to control it, you got a heater control valve right here. And we're using a bypass heater control valve because I didn't want to stop the coolant flow coming from the oil cooler. So when the heater is off, you pull the cable out, it just reverts back. You push the cable in for heat, and it'll come through here, up to the heater, then back from the heater, and back to your oil cooler. So no matter what, your oil cooler is getting coolant. Number 1. And that's about it. Another little shot of the winch. So we'll see how it does. Just getting started. We're going to deliver it in 2 days here to my dad, and he can take it from there. 32-inch light bar. Just bolted it right to the roof. So we'll see how much, if it's going to bounce too much or not. I might have to build a bracket. Nothing too spectacular there. Just Amazon light bar.